Hi, welcome to Tech Tips and Tech Stuff. My name is Ron, and today I want to show you how to change a toner cartridge in a laser printer. So here we have a new cartridge. It can come in a box and a bag. Cut the bag open with a pair of scissors. You're going to see this little strip in here. Before you take the strip off, go back and forth with toner to rock it back and forth to kind of get it mixed up so it doesn't, in case it's settling. Grab on this label, on this little label with the arrow button, pull this out open. This will open up the toner bin inside there. Take off this. This protects the drum. This is the drum here. That's where your images or text get transferred to, and then transferred to the paper and baked on. You also may see one of these. This is a little sleeve that's on there. It will tell you to take it off. Make sure you take it off or else your printer won't work. So what you want to do is turn the computer off, or turn the printer off, open it up, take your old toner out. You just grab onto it, just gently move it up, and just slide right out. This is actually an old one. The reason why I made this video was I had a problem. I left that black piece of paper on and I couldn't get anything to print. So this is the old one cartridge. So say we got the new cartridge in my hand, which is a new cartridge. Just slip it in. Just take a scoop method and locks in place. It's like going in and scoops underneath a bit. So going down and then scooping. Just close it up, turn it back on, and you're in business. If you found this video helpful in any way, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching. Thanks, Patreons, and a special shout out to Ron's best friend, Benjamin R. Price. Your name can be here too. Link below.